Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Toyota GR86, a rear-wheel drive sports car that's sure to put a smile on your face. Overview: GR86 is the successor to the popular Toyota 86, and it builds on its predecessor's strengths while adding some new features. It's powered by a new 2.4 liters flat-4 engine that produces 228 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The GR86 is also stiffer and more agile than the 86. Thanks to a new chassis and suspension setup, it also has a lower center of gravity, which helps to improve handling. Exterior: the GR86 has a sleek and sporty exterior design. It features a low-slung stance, a wide stance, and aggressive front and rear fascias. It's available in a variety of colors, including Trueno Blue, Ignition Red, and Sapphire Blue. Interior: GR86's interior is simple and functional. It features a black leather interior with red accents. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and there's plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Performance: GR86 is a fun and engaging car to drive. It's quick and agile, and it handles well. The new engine is powerful and responsive, and the suspension provides a firm but comfortable ride. Fuel economy: the GR86 is surprisingly fuel efficient. It gets an EPA estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Features: the GR86 comes standard with a number of features, including 17-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and taillights. The 2024 Toyota GR86 is a great sports car for anyone who wants a fun and engaging driving experience. It's affordable, it's fuel efficient, and it's packed with features. If you're looking for a new sports car, I highly recommend checking out the GR86. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.